What's up guys, and welcome back to the Station Bakery. Today I'm going to show you how to make these easy cake cups, as well as a semi-product review. Stay tuned. For this demonstration, I will be showing you a 9-ounce as well as a 16-ounce cup. I'll be using vanilla and red velvet cupcakes with my specialty cheesecake buttercream. For this demonstration, I'll be using some extra cupcakes that I had left over from a couple of orders. Cake cups are really simple to do. I start off with a layer of cupcake, and then I go in with a nice even layer of buttercream. After your layer of buttercream, this is your opportunity to go in with any other filling that you may want to use. But for the simple demonstration, I'll be just using another delicious slice of cake. Let's top this delicious cake off with another layer of buttercream. To achieve a nice clean look, you want to pipe close to the edge of the cup. This helps fill in any open gaps. Cake cups are great for reducing waste and using up any extra ingredients that you may have left over. Cupcakes are extra fun, and you get to put them together as if it was a puzzle. And now we'll add our final layer of buttercream, again pushing out to those sides to make a nice clean look. Let's top this bad boy off with this nice chinette lid. It fits perfectly onto my 9-ounce cup, but it did not fit my 16-ounce cup. So if you are able to find these lids, this is an excellent option for you. How cool is this, guys? Simple, clean, and ready to eat. Hey, don't click out yet. There's more. Now let's work with our 16-ounce cup. For this demonstration, I'll be making a red velvet and cream cake cup. Let's start with a layer of moist red velvet cake. Hey, don't be making fun of my little stubby red velvet cupcakes, okay? These were a practice run for these cupcakes and just made for a demonstration, okay? And though they're short and stubby, they still melt gloriously in your mouth. Here we're topping off that nice cheesecake buttercream with a nice vanilla cupcake to make our red velvet and cream cake cups. It's really an art to be able to find things that you already have and be able to create something so magnificent from it. That's how this red velvet and cream cake cup came to be. I had red velvet cupcakes and I have vanilla cupcakes. Mix it together. Wha-bam, red velvet and cream. If you're feeling me on that, go ahead, give me a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and turn on that notification bell so you know when I post my next video. I would love to hear from you guys in the comments below. Let me know what are some of the creations that you have come up with randomly from using things that you just had at the moment. You can also tag and DM me on Instagram at The Station Bakery. I would love to hear from you. I was so excited about those chinette lids that I went on Amazon to purchase more. However, the ones that I got did not fit. So what did I do? I turned it upside down and made it work. Hey! Come on, y'all. This is just brilliant. I was not about to return nothing. So this is a perfect example of taking what you have and making it work. Y'all, I'm speaking on a whole nother dimension right now. Y'all, I overfilled my cup so the lid is not sitting within the cup, but wabam, washi tape. We about to jazz this thing up. Washi tape is awesome. They come in all different colors, shapes, sizes. You can get so creative with the things that you have. You have everything that you need to make it happen. If you're just now getting started, listen to me. You have what it takes already. You just have to make it happen. I already have this washi tape on hand. I use it for my cake and cupcake toppers, but it works perfectly for my cake cups. See? How awesome does this red velvet and cream cake cup look? Guys, new flavor alert! Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me during this video. Please stick around to the end of this video. It's another way that you, my viewers, can help support me so I can keep creating delicious content. Alright guys, until next time, peace. Subscribe.